Hello Give May Squad and welcome back to my channel. So I was in a rush earlier, so I wasn't able to record an intro, so of course I'm at work and I'm recording one right now. So I am here with you to do this makeup tutorial on this look right here. I will post all the products that I use in the description box below, also a link to all the products. Get paid to shop, and what that means is you're already wanting to buy makeup, so you buy the makeup and then you earn money back. Okay, so it's something you were already going to do anyway, but you're getting paid for it, so earn some money back, try out these products, let me know what you think. Alright guys, and don't forget to subscribe, and guess what, there's another button next to it, notification button. Hit that so you know when a new video is headed your way. Alright guys, if you are interested in how I got this look, real quick, so Mavens has released some of its new spring collection, so I'm like so excited. Okay, the one thing I'm excited about, metallic lips. I've been wanting a metallic lippie, and I've been hoping that they were going to release one, and they have. So I'm so excited. So they're like, I believe like 5 different colors. So as soon as I get those in, I will post swatches. Also, it seems to be a new trend, not a new trend, but it seems to be trending that people are going back to glossy lips. So I know I have gone to the glossy lips. I haven't done as many looks with the matte. So Mavens has released this velvet type of lipstick. So it's not a gloss, but it's not matte. So it's really soft and just, the colors are gorgeous, very buttery on the lips. So again, as soon as I get those in, we have more nudes there. More nude shades for that. Why can't I talk? There are more nude shades for those lipsticks, and then there's like 1 or 2 vampy shades. So as soon as those come in, I get them in my hands, I will post swatches for you, because I mean, I just feel like you can't have enough lip products. I mean, you can't have enough lippies, because you can create so many different combos, and like 2 shades may look the same, but the undertones are totally different. So, I mean, sometimes you just need that, because you just never know what look you're trying to go for. We also have a new eye palette coming out. Oh, and the other thing I want to try, something for skincare. It's like these 3 different applicators that really help with any skincare product that you use. It's really going to help it do its job and really get down to your skin cells in different layers, so that you can look gorgeous, so your skin can glow, so that you don't have dry skin, you don't have to worry about oily skin. So again, as soon as those products get into my hands, I will make a video for you guys so you can see firsthand how they work. Alright, so anyway, let's go ahead and get started on this tutorial. So before I forget, I'm going to put some oil, rose oil, on my lips. Then I'm going to go in with my 40 FY lip treatment, and it's like a lip balm. And just apply that all over your lips. Alright, so we do that first. That way, while we're doing our makeup, our lips are getting moisturized and all kind of good things are happening. So our lips are getting prepped and ready for the whatever lippy we're going to wear today. Okay, so we're going to start with our eyes. First, let me remove my piercing, because I am going to work, so I can't wear this. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the translucent powder to my eyelid. And that's going to soak up any oil that's on there. And then we're going to go in with the Sculpt Series in Ice. And we're going to use the concealer in there as our eye base, since I still don't have any primer. And just smooth that all over the eyelid. And then we're going to set that with the translucent powder. So our first eyeshadow today is going to be Electric, and this is this lime green color. And we're going to apply that to the inner corner of our eye, pretty much all the way to about right here. Okay, so now that we have that color on, we're going to go into our Dynasty palette and use this turquoise color right here. And we're going to apply that to the middle area of what we just applied with that lime green shade. Alright, and then for our third eyeshadow, we're going to go in with this blue color out of the Muse palette. And we're going to apply that to the outer edge. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and cut the crease. Alright, then we're going to go in the Elements palette and use this vanilla shade to set our eyelid. Okay, so before we finish our eyes, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. And that way, this has a chance to melt into my skin and start smoothing everything out. Alright, so we're going to go back into that Mavens Element Palette and use this shimmer shade right here. And we're going to apply that to our brow bone area and the area right up in here. First, I'm going to go in with the vanilla shade. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and go in with this shimmer shade. So now I'm going to go in with the glitter eyeliner in Starry Eyes. And we're going to apply that to our crease area. The glitter pins just make it so much easier to do looks like this. You can definitely do the eyelash adhesive or lash glue, apply that first and then put your glitter on. You can definitely do that, but this just makes it so much easier having in the glitter pin form. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and apply foundation now. So I found my custom blend foundation. It was in my car. I don't remember doing my makeup in my car in between the 2 days, but obviously I did. So. Okay, so we're just going to set our foundation with our setting spray. Okay, while that's all setting, I'm going to go in with my Color Correction Perfection Quad and Medium, and I'm going to use this color right here as my under eye concealer. Okay, I'm going to set my under eye with my banana powder. So now we're going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. Okay, so before I use my setting spray, I'm going to use my rose water from Sweet Essentials to help set my makeup, set all the powder so that everything is just so flawless. Also, rose water is a great moisturizer, so if your face gets dry, because I have combination skin, so rose water is really great for keeping my skin moisturized with all my makeup on. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes and my eyeliner off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now for my lips, I'm going to go in with the lip crayon called Dusty Rose. This color right here. All right, and I'm going to use the Pout Plumper and Toast. It's like a lip gloss that pumps up your lips. You can wear this alone or with a lip liner. It's up to you. Either way, I love this. It works. And you know it's working because you start getting this tingling sensation on your lips. Nothing uncomfortable, just letting you know that, hey, girl, I'm here. I'm doing what you paid me to do. Don't worry, I got you. That's basically what it's telling you. All right. Setting spray. And we have completed this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time, bye.